This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ford Bronco door handle. First, let's gather our tools. You will need a 5mm socket, an extension of at least 8 inches, and a ratchet. A plastic pry tool can also be very helpful for delicate trim pieces. This is a straightforward task, and you can expect to complete each door handle removal in about 5 minutes or less. Now, let's get started. Begin by opening the door you wish to work on. Look along the edge of the door for a small, circular grommet. Gently remove this grommet, perhaps using your plastic pry tool, to expose the 5mm bolt hidden beneath. This bolt is crucial as it holds the door handle securely in its position. With the bolt exposed, insert your 5mm socket and extension. Begin to unscrew the bolt. Continue turning until you hear a small, audible click. This sound signifies that the bolt is fully unthreaded and the handle is now loose. Next, pull the door handle outward, just as you would to open the door, and then gently slide it out of its groove. If your Bronco has a proximity sensor, remember to unclip the electrical harness. Reinstalling your door handle is just as simple as removing it. Just reverse the steps we just covered. Make sure the handle aligns correctly in its opening. When tightening the 5mm bolt, turn it until it's snug, but be careful not to over-tighten, as it threads into plastic. Don't forget to reconnect any electrical harnesses. You've got this.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.